You may be convinced by now that Heraclitus is right. Everything's in a state of change, in a state of flux, and it looks that way, and my lesions are wrong. And there's going to be a discussion for you to voice your opinion on. And it's going to be on that issue. It's going to be on several of these issues. But let's now turn to Parmenides. Now, Parmenides has the view that change is impossible. And he actually provides reasons for it. And the first thing he points out is that you can only talk and think, talking and thinking in regards the same way, about what is. Because think about it, what is not is nothing. If you're talking about something, there is something you're talking about. If you're thinking about something, there is something. But if you're talking about what is not, because what is not, you're not talking at all. Based on that, once he gets you to see that you can't talk about what is nothing, you see that change cannot be possible. Why? Because there can only be one thing. Because if there were many things, they would be separated by nothing. Because if they're not separated by nothing, if they're right next to each other, they're the same thing. So, and in this regard, he agrees with Heraclitus, but for very different reasons. Everything we perceive is not real. Because we think there are multiple things in the world. There aren't. There's only one thing. Change is absolutely impossible. And even though there are things in the world look like they're changing, it's not possible. That's not real. That's not what reality is. And if you notice, he provides mathematical type proofs for this very, very, very paradoxical view. It's paradoxical in that it looks like things that are perfectly obvious to us that we see things are false.